So students, let us move to our example number 4.4. A boy of height 90 centimeter is walking away from a base of lamp post at the speed of 1.2 meter per second. So if the lamp post is 3.6 meter height above the ground, that is height. So find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. Okay. So now let us see the answer for this question. So solution is given speed is 1.2 meter per second. Okay. So the time taken is 4 seconds. You know what is the formula of speed? Speed is distance divided by time. You know, in science it will come. So let us exchange this distance and speed. Then you will get distance equal to, you should cross multiply time with speed. So it is equal to speed into time. So that only is done here. Distance equal to speed into time, which is 1.2 into 4, which is 4.8 meter. Okay. So let x be the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. Okay. So this is the shadow height. Okay. So this is the 90 centimeter boy's height. So you can take that this boy is walking straight now. We can't walk bending. So we can only walk straight. When we make the backbone straight only we can walk. Okay, so we can take his height as, here we can take 90 degree and it should be parallel to AB. His height should be parallel to AB. So in triangle ABE and CDE, BE by DE equal to AB by CD. You should know this, okay. So this side by this side equal to this big side by this parallel side. This is also a theorem, but it is not that much important. So I am telling it in words itself. So you can note that this side by this side equal to the big side by the small parallel side. Okay. So that only we took here. So we can take that BE is what? BE is BD plus DE. No, that is BD is given 4.8. Then plus x you should add to get BE. So 4.8 plus x divided by x, which is DE, means x only. So equal to 3.6 the height, and this you know 90 centimeter means you know it is 0.9 meter. So here it is given in meter, so you should convert the boy's height in meter. So we got 0.9, which is equal to 4. When you cancel it in 9 table, you will get 4. Okay, that is you will make you will multiply this with 10 and this with 10, you will get 36 by 9. When you cancel it, you will get 4. That only I wrote it here. Okay, so then you can note that 4.8 plus x equal to 4x. That is, x will cross multiply here. Okay, you will get 4x. Okay, that gives x will come this side, means 3x equal to 4.8. So x equal to this 3 will come down. Okay, will you get 1.6 meter. 4.8 divided by 3 is 1.6 meter. Okay, so therefore the length of a shadow is DE equal to 1.6 meter. That's all. Now let us see the next example. In figure 4.20, angle A equal to angle CED. We have to prove that triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED. Also find the value of x. Okay, so our solution is, in triangle CAB and CED, angle C is common. And angle A equal to angle CED. That is, in triangle CAB and CED, you know that angle A equal to angle CED. So this angle and this angle is equal. Okay, they are given in the question only. Okay, then you can note that triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED by AA similarity rule. How? It has C common. This small triangle and this big triangle have C common. So this angle and these two angles are equal. So you can note that by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, you can take the corresponding sides now. CA by CE. Okay, CA by CE equal to AB by DE, which is equal to CB by CD. Okay, so AB by DE equal to CB by CD. AB by DE equal to CB by CD, okay, which gives 9 by x. 9 by x equal to 10 plus 2 by 8. 10 plus 2 by 8, which is this. Okay, so you'll get x equal to 8 into 9 by 12, which is 72 by 12. When you cancel it, you will get 6 centimeter. So let us see the next example. In figure 4.21, QA and PB are perpendicular to AB. So if AO equal to 10 centimeter, BO equal to 6 centimeter, and PB equal to 9 centimeter, then find AQ. They are given. Okay, so see the diagram. Okay, now let us see the solution. So in triangle AOQ and BOP, angle QAQ equal to OAQ equal to OBP, which is equal to 90 degree, given in the diagram itself. Okay, we are writing it here. Then angle AOQ equal to angle BOP by vertically opposite angle. AOQ equal to BOP. Vertical opposite angles, you know, no? So by that theorem, you can note these two angles are equal. Therefore, by AA criterion of similarity, these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so corresponding sides should be equal. AO by BO, the first two by first two, OQ by OP, second two and second two, and the first and last, you will write. Okay, then you can correspond the values here. AO is 10, BO is given 6, which is equal to AQ. You can take this because we are going to find AQ, no? So you should take the AQ ratio. AQ by BP is 9. Okay, which gives you should cross multiply. Okay, so 9 into 10 by 6. AQ equal to 9 into 10 by 6, which is 10 into 9 is 90. 90 divided by 6 is, when you cancel, you will get 15. Okay.